Hi guys, welcome to Phone Arena, and here we have today an interesting product from Samsung. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So it's been a long time since you have seen an interesting tablet. We also have Manoj here. So Manoj, it's been a long time since you have got an high-end
flagship tablet
in India, which can take on the iPad Pro.
Definitely.
I mean, there is the Microsoft Surface, which is a full-blown Windows computer of sorts. But for light use or entertainment or generally, right now, I think taking online classes is the main thing for a lot of people. So for that, I mean, or even working from home. So there's a lot of people looking for an Android tablet. I mean, iPad Pro is there. I mean, that's the iOS equivalent, but still that's in great demand and sold out pretty much. But the main concern users have is that it is expensive.
Right.
So although there is no means cheap, but it's still a lot less expensive than the iPad Pro. So the device we have here is the top-end variant, the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, with built-in 4G and Wi-Fi, and this is not being sold in a non-Wi-Fi, non-cellular model. Wi-Fi, there's no Wi-Fi.
There's no Wi-Fi. Model. That's there on the regular Tab S7.
Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So here we have it. So this is the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus.
So they have given a model number over here, SMT975. We have a Mystic Black, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage.
Okay, so this is the Mystic Black. I don't know how they come up with these names. So Mystic Black and 6 gigs of RAM or 100 gigs of storage. I'm excited about the built-in cellular connectivity, considering it's very hard to find such devices in the market. So wow, it's a premium tablet for sure. Feels really...
You're definitely paying a premium.
Yeah, it feels nice. It's a thick chunk of metallic feel you're getting. It's not plasticky or anything. It's got this... let's see if we can power it on. It's already...
So while we are there in the box contents, let's see what all there is.
So yeah, it's powered on. So we'll come back to the tablet in a second.
Sure.
So we'll take a look at the box contents. So on the inside you have some paperwork. You also have a pen.
S Pen?
S Pen, which is...
So this is the new S Pen actually.
It's a new S Pen. So
with the 9 millisecond latency.
So it's a pretty new one.
Yeah.
And they also have a slot for you to put the pen on the back. And
this is kind of weird, right? So usually S Pens will be...
Yeah, I was looking for a slot within the tablet, but considering it's really thin.
Right.
So I think they put it on the outside. So this is the way you actually charge the
S Pen.
So if you can see here, the moment you plug in the pen, you see the notification about the charging. This is how you charge it, and you also have a button, so we'll come to that in a second. So you also have a power adapter. So how many watts is that?
So this is a 15 watt power adapter, but the Tab S7 Plus supports up to 45 watt fast charging.
You're only supplying a slow charger in the box.
Fairly slow charger.
Okay.
And so we also got the keyboard accessory.
Oh, nice. So we have this as well. So this is the keyboard accessory for the so how this works is magnetic dot reminds me of
fits snug.
Yeah, so what else? So you can, so the pen seems to be falling out, but let's try to slot this in here. So let's just, okay, so the pen sits here and the case goes on top of it. So okay, it's a magnetic connector, so it's really adds a bit of bulk, but still it's a leather premium feel kind of case. And let's see if we can. So this is how you actually use it. So you can
use it as a stand.
So again, borrowed from the Microsoft Surface.
So this is giving you a lot of Surface vibes,
Surface vibes, yeah. So and it's running Android though.
Yeah.
So as you can see now, it's on the Dex mode, which is Samsung's desktop Android skin. And you used to actually, I mean, you can actually buy adapters and docks which will convert your phone into Dex mode. But this tablet is running in Dex mode. So as you can see, it's a tablet layout with the icons for notification and all those system, battery and everything moved to the right side bottom.
Okay.
And you have everything here.
The home, back and
so you have the multitasking window, home, back, and the app tray.
Yeah.
So nicely done.
So this is quite nicely done,
so
right?
let's actually try if we can actually type something. Yeah.
Just invokes the Samsung Notes app and you can try.
Let's see. We can.
How's the key travel like?
Yeah, it's a lot of travel for a tablet keyboard. So pretty much brain typing on this, so it's pretty nice.
We'll also try the touchpad over here.
Yeah, so the trackpad seems fairly nice, and you can actually use it for right click, for cutting text and all that stuff. So really nice
Implementation.
It's it comes with at a premium, but so
like the tablet market has sort of become wide, and Samsung and Apple are launching the premium lineup of tablets. And
so the beauty about this Dex mode is, considering you said brought up Apple, so iPad Pro, so even the normal iPads offer some amount of multitasking.
True.
Let's talk about the specs. So this is powered by, so you have a
12.4
inch Super AMOLED HD screen from Samsung's best of the best displays.
So the primary difference between the Tab S7 and S7 Plus, many would be asking.
There are two models, So there is a Tab S7 and the S7 Plus.
S7 Plus, right.
So the Tab S7 is a little bit less expensive. It's a Wi-Fi only model.
Wi-Fi Plus and Wi-Fi Plus 4G is also available.
So there is a Wi-Fi only version only in the Samsung Galaxy S7.
Right.
Not on the Plus.
Not on the Plus.
So that's the cheapest version is actually running on an LCD.
Right, LCD panel
instead of Super AMOLED
and
panel.
that's 11-inch display. This is a larger 12.4 inch.
So.
And fortunately, we have got the Snapdragon version in India.
Yeah, that's a great thing though for a Samsung premium product. Even the Note 20 Ultra is powered by their Exynos.
Yeah.
So you have.
And we have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And this is running on Android 10. With One UI on top of that, Samsung's popular One UI. And another major difference between S7 and S7 Plus is in the fingerprint scanner. This one has an in-display fingerprint scanner due to the AMOLED display, and that regular S7 has a side-mounted fingerprint. Yeah. And there are quad speakers over here. Since this is a tablet multimedia experience,
so there's also a SIM card slot on the top,
which takes a 4G SIM card.
SIM, and you don't seem to get a headphone jack.
That's gone.
That's not available.
Yeah.
But this stand can be mounted. I mean, it's just a metal which can be bent at any angle. So in case you're comfortable with such an angle, you can do that as well.
We'll also show the S Pen, which is the USB of this device.
Yes, so let's
there are a plethora of functions actually with this S Pen.
The case does allow you to kind of open it this way.
So you pop out
the pen, so that you don't have to worry about. It's actually neat implementation, although I would have preferred something which goes inside the device. But
the good thing is this pen can be mounted on this portion as well.
Is it?
Yeah. The metallic surface.
Nice.
I tried over there.
Nice. So you can keep it like this as well in case you don't want to pop it inside. But in case you're traveling or moving around, you can put it in the case. So this is a keyboard case.
Yeah.
We'll talk about the prices in a bit. So the pen.
As I already said, this has the 9 millisecond latency.
Tip. So it reminds me of the Galaxy Tab. I mean, Galaxy S Pen on the phones, on the Note series. Very fine design. So let's actually try writing some text.
Just change the pen mode. Yeah.
You hear the scratching of the pen on
it gives you the notebook vibes as well.
So you can hear that sound as well. So
the features of S Pen, that would be a separate video, I guess. There's a plethora of features over there.
Yeah, so you can do a lot with this. Use it for controlling the tablet screen.
The usual air actions and all the features that you saw on the Note lineup, that is still there on this.
We also have a kind of a button on the pen as well, so which is programmable. Yeah,
this will trigger the air actions that's present on this.
So you see the battery charge as well on the stylus. So it's inductively charging.
Right.
So
while you place it on the back of
the tablet, so you put it
automatically charges.
And it automatically charges and you close it.
And best part, you can also
see the charge here. So it says 100%. So it's neatly done.
For tablets are not used for cameras primarily, but still there's a dual camera implementation.
With an LED flash, and there is also a front-facing camera as well. So overall, I really kind of like this.
Will this replace your laptop? That's not a correct question, but
replace your computer.
Yeah, maybe.
For many people, I think it is possible. For me personally, I'm not sure. I would still want something like a full-blown Windows on my laptop. But for somebody looking for, say, a specific app, say they're using Zoom, so they're using, say, Microsoft Excel. So that is, considering you're talking about that I did spot Microsoft Office in this. So it has an option. I mean, you get a complimentary. I mean, not even complimentary, more of a subsidized pricing for the Office apps. So you have Excel, PowerPoint,
the whole suite of
Microsoft apps are available due to their partnership. And so this way, somebody working on Excel and Office apps primarily can definitely get work done.
So Samsung is known for great quality displays, and they have achieved the best quality display on a tablet.
Of the old Galaxy Tab S which came out. I still remember. I think we have it in our lab somewhere.
Okay.
So it came in I think a few years ago.
Yeah.
And at that point of time, it was still great.
Okay.
And I think it did have micro SD storage. So this reminds me, does this have expandable storage?
Yeah, let me quickly check on that.
I think it does, considering I did see some mention somewhere.
Yeah, you can expand up to 1 terabyte.
So that is again there. So, and considering it has Type-C, I think you can connect a kind of a hub to it.
Yeah.
And connect a pen drive and mount
that
it. That
does work, yeah.
So all that is one drive. So you should be able to get Google Drive also.
So on the whole, this is a sweet little productivity machine.
Yes,
I would say.
So, and with I've kind of turned off DeX mode now, so just to see how it works. So
it switches to the tablet.
So that in the regular Android mode, it isn't a great productivity machine. It's just a regular Android tablet, just the phone skin slapped on top of it. So that is, to me, really good feature to have on an Android tablet. And also it has built-in 4G and Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So you can get all this even on the go.
True. So all this is backed by a 10,000 mAh battery.
Okay.
So you have plenty of juice left to work with.
Yeah, it's got the best of the specs.
Top of the line specs.
And we're looking forward to reviewing this fully. So this is just a initial impressions and unboxing overview. But we should be reviewing this on Phone Arena over the next few days, and look forward to using this even more.
We'll share our experience probably.
Definitely share our experience.
Yeah.
And so if any questions about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, do let us know in the comments, and we'll be happy to check.
Sure.
I'll reply to you and check out any specific features you want us to try. And
that's it, I guess.
Pretty much it.
Yeah.
So
we'll see you guys in the next video.
So that is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus in DeX mode with the keyboard, Accessory, and the case and the pen as well. So thank you guys for watching, and let us know in the comments as to what you think about this product. Are you getting one? Are you planning to get one? Or are you on the other camp, the iPad camp? So let us know, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is Varun, and
this is Manoj signing off. Bye.
Bye.